I saw that. What's that? There we go. Yeah. Woo! This is all I'm bringing with me, and hopefully I don't lose this guy. I have the Bumble Bug, but this is the Horsefly edition. Let's take this guy out and see what he looks like. There it is, the Horsefly. Right at sunrise. Woo! Horseflies are like the worst, and let's hope instead of getting bit by a horsefly today, this horsefly gets bit. Oh, I'm excited. Let's go. Let's go. Horsefly, let's go. There it is, buddy. Little largie. On the horsefly, let's go. Ugh. I don't know if my camera can capture how cool that looks, but oh my goodness, that is ridiculously looking cool. My goodness. I gotta take a picture of that. Another little largie. Missed that one. Woo! There he goes. He's just right in there. There we go. I knew there was something in there. No! No! There we go. Give it to me. This isn't the same fish. Oh, perch! Let's go! Look at you! Horsefly and a perch in the morning. Let's go. Alright, we're going. We're moving. We're doing it. Oh, I'm up high, and I gotta get down low. That's steep. Oh my goodness. That's steep. Oh my goodness, I get it way down there. This is a big bridge. Oh look, there's something jumping up there right now. Awesome. Alright, let's do it. You go like this down. Use these. Dude, this is, look at this. I'm making it. It's happening. Alright, we're gonna make it in. Can't believe that was that easy. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, there we go. Ah, oh, darn it, I had one. Darn it. Get right over here. There we go. Yeah, got him. Got him back. Oh, I'm gonna use my net. Yeah. Ah, let's go. Yeah. That was cool. I just wanted to show that I had a net. Third species. There we go. Third species, let's go. A goal for species, 20 fish total. We're already at 3 species and we haven't caught that many fish yet. But I love it. Let's go. All right, let's let this guy go. There he goes. Yes. There we go. Whoa! Let's have it, smallmouth! Let's go! Yes! Alright, touched it. That counts. Oh, geez. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. There he is. 4 species, baby. Now all they gotta do is get to 20 fish total. Oh, there's one. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, I get my net. What do we got? Oh, yes! The net! Yes! It came off the hook right at the end. Oh, now I'm hooked up in there, but oh, yes! The net came in clutch! Yes! Let's go. There's no way I would have got this big old rock bass without the net. Yeah. Yeah. The net. Look at this rock bass. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh no. Dude, that's way up there. Oh well, I'll get that in a second. Dude, that rock bass is a chunk. Let's go. All right. Look at that guy. Huge. All right, let's let him go. Now comes the hard part. How am I gonna get you? All right. Keep coming. Yes. Yes. Oh, there we go. Do I got him still? Oh, I do. Baby. Yeah. Here, baby. All right, I got you. Smalley. Baby Smalley. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Someone took a swipe at it. There we go. Yeah! Net him! No, I got him. Look at that guy. Love it. All right. I don't know what fish I'm on. I'm so bad at counting. I have no idea what fish I'm on. There's one for me. There we go. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! It's a good perch. Yeah! Look at this perch. Oh, there he goes. You gotta take the good with the bad with a net. This is the downfall or the negative of a net. When you net a fish, a lot of times your hooks get in the net. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's a rock bass. All right. All right. Yeah. Rock bass, let's go. All right, you go downstream. Don't tell anybody. I think there's another one in there. Yeah. Let's go. Another rock bass. Let's go. Maybe I didn't see a perch. All right. Nice. Oh, there we go. Did I get him? Yeah, he's swimming to me. Ooh-wee. All right, found a rock bass spot. Nice. There. All right. I got my first surface hit over there. Let's see if I can get him to do it again. Ah, darn. Oh, there we go. I wonder if he followed it that time. Nice rock bass, let's go. Dude, that was awesome. There, all right, let's go. Hey, I got one. Oh, do I still have him? Yes, I do. Ah, smallmouth. Yeah. Let's go. You got it on the side of your business, but it still counts. You went for it. There it is. You are tiny, but you like to bite horse flies. I like it. Let's go. All right. Bloop. Oh, here's one. Hey, I got a little smallie. There you go, buddy. You never know. Yeah. Yeah. Just thought maybe there's a little pocket for this little guy. You're almost as big as a horsefly, bud. Bite that. I like it. Hey, there we go. All right. There we go, finally. A fish to end on. The rock bass. Yes. All right. All right, all right. There it is, baby. Rock bass on the horsefly. I like it. That was a grind. I thought I'd catch a lot more than I did. It was hard getting up and down this river, but whew, we did it. I don't know if I got 20 fish. I'll add it up in the editing. But horsefly, honestly, not as good as I thought it would be. Maybe it's just the fish today. I thought I'd get a good smallmouth somewhere in here today, but it just wasn't to be. Grand trip! I'm here. This is actually how I'm starting my morning. How'd the horsefly work? Do I still have it? I hope so. I'm nervous about this 4-pound test in the horsefly. Either way, push good buttons. Thanks for watching the Tiefsa Fishing Channel. That's me. I'm Dave Steven Teller Tiefsa. See you.